In a few minutes, you're going to be learning how to set up your content monetization and then fill out your payout account at the same time. I get to discover that a lot of people actually don't know how to fill out their content monetization, and they are creators on Facebook. I've seen some of them accepting it and then still making some errors or mistakes, which are actually not okay at all. So in the next 3 minutes, you should be able to learn or know how to fill out your content monetization and then fill out your payout account by yourself. All you just need to do, in case this is the first time you're seeing my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and then don't forget to leave a message or a comment. It will go a long way. Now, first of all, before you even think of setting up your content monetization and then filling out your payout, the first thing you need to get ready is the credentials or the materials in setting it up. Now, as a creator, be it on Facebook or even on YouTube here, you need to have what we call dollar account, and then you need to have what we call tax identification number. Now, your dollar account and your tax identification number actually help you as a content creator on social media. So these are the first two things you need to get ready. Then you're going to be getting ready your Swift code, your zip code, and the rest. So now let's go into the tutorial on how you can actually fill out your content monetization and then pay out at the same time. Now, if you take a close look beside me, you can see the first thing you're going to do is go to the account. You go to the account that actually have the this thing. Go ahead to the account that have the content monetization. Then you, as you can see, it's showing activate. Some you all might be showing setup. So go ahead and click on it. So it's going to bring you here. So when it bring you here, pay a close attention to your name, your date of birth, and your country of residence. If they are okay, then fine. If they are not okay, click on the edit information to edit it. Okay. If they are good, then you go ahead and click on accept terms. It's going to bring you here. Now you can see that place that says business type. Now, do not make a mistake of selecting any other thing. Make sure you select individual / sole proprietor. Okay, so this business type, you can actually click on it, and then when you click on it, you can actually select the one you want. So after you have selected the business, the individual, then click on next. It's going to bring you here to enter your what information. So go ahead. If you have a middle name, provide the middle name. Okay, so after you have provided everything, scroll down, then you're going to see your city, your state, your zip code, provide them, then provide your phone number and your email. Now, don't forget to use the right phone number and the right email that is on your account, so that in case they want to send you any information, then go ahead and enter your tax identification number. After you've done that, if you have a VAT number, if you don't have it, it's optional. Okay, then you click on this button that says by checking the box, just click on it and then go ahead and click on next. It's as simple as that. Okay, so when you click on next, it's going to bring you to where you can now link your account number. Now you can, like, we are going to be linking a dollar account, which is a local bank dollar account. So you click on manually link. So it's going to open like this, where you get to see your name, your country of residence, your date of birth, your primary address. Then go ahead and put your Swift code. When you put your Swift code, then you go down and put your account number. Make sure it is correct, okay? Then you go ahead and click on link payout method, okay? So now it will now bring you here and ask you to link your what? To add your tax information. So go ahead and click on it. So it's going to bring you here. Now pay attention. If you are a US citizen, you go ahead and click on yes. But if you are not a US citizen, make sure that these two buttons is no and no. So you can see the two of them. They are the up one is no. Then the down one also select no. Then it's going to bring you here and say, what is your country of citizenship? Now that place says, what is your country of citizenship? Click on that place that says select one. If you click on it, it's going to pop up and then give you room. For example, I'm a Nigerian, so you go ahead and select Nigeria or any of your country and click on next. Then it's going to bring you to your address. Also confirm your address and click on next. Okay, so now also your email, your mailing address, also confirm it and click on next. Okay, now it's going to ask you your tax residence, meaning which country. You can be a Nigerian, for example, and you are now in Canada, so it means you are going to be using Canada's tax using it. But if it's still Nigeria, you use Nigeria and then click on next. Okay, so now when you click on next, you scroll down. So when you scroll down, you're going to see a place for you to put your legal name. That's why they put a signature type. you type your full name in that place. Don't make mistake. Type it the way it is on your bank account and on your tax document. Okay. So after typing it, you go ahead and click on the next button down. Then after you have put everything, scroll down, congratulations, and click on submit form. So when you can see, it's now telling you that your tax information is complete. So you go ahead and click on done. Automatically now you have just set up your content monetization, and at the same time you have completed your what? Your payout setup. You can see where is rolling, and after rolling it's going to show us that we have just, you can see it's now showing us down that successfully added payout. So our payout have successfully been added. Okay, so this is actually very simple. Don't forget, I have other interesting video editings and coaching content on Facebook, on YouTube, and then even on TikTok. So please don't forget to actually subscribe to this channel, then turn on the notification bell so that whenever I create videos like this, you get to benefit. And don't forget to leave me a questions or ask anything in the comment section, and I will reply to you. All right. So thank you.